All right, this is how you accomplish it. Okay, so what you need to go ahead and do is find someone and become an authorized user on their credit card. So it can be anybody that's within the 800 credit score that you know, or somebody that can be like in the high 700s will go ahead and work. Essentially, they have to add you on in order for it to go ahead and work. But do be aware that if that does happen and they start missing payments on that authorized user account that you're attached to, that will affect your credit. So do remember that. The next one is either become a co-signer on a auto loan or an auto loan, becoming a co-signer on a loan, so that can be an auto loan, a mortgage. Essentially, you don't have to pay money for it. They just pretty much need you to go ahead and sign. But also remember about the risk that it comes with becoming a co-signer. Again, if they start missing payments and it goes to collection, it will affect you. It's just so you know. The next one is open up a credit card within a credit union. You know, when you have a credit union, they tend not to go ahead and charge you fees. So opening up a credit card will definitely help you. And then you have your credit history, which is going to be a very important one because you have to let the loan payment history report for years and years and years. So that is going to take a good years and years and years. So definitely having that and remembering that will help you get to that 850. And then the last is the credit mix. So if you don't have two loans at least, and one of them is a revolving or an installment. A revolving is like a credit card, and installments like a personal loan, auto loan, mortgages. That is also a factor when it comes to building your credit score to an 850. So if you are missing that, then you missing become an 850. Go ahead and follow me for more credit tips and book me if you need some help with credit consultation. See you in the next one.